Hey, Chris.
Hey, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Did you watch his brother Dorio's video?
I did. Did you watch it?
Yeah. So he explained it because I didn't, he made like a new Excel sheet,
Yeah.
and then you had to use the SP whatever, SPSS for a lot of them.
Do you know how to do them?
I took a lot of notes as I was watching him do it. So I mean, as long as I look at my notes, because it's confusing where, I was having a hard time knowing what to enter where,
Yeah.
but I wouldn't say I would get like an A on a test, but I could like study my notes and stuff.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's kind of how I am with it right now.
Yeah. But so I didn't ever get to do like last week's, the lesson 9, I think, because
You just never opened it?
Yeah, he never let me reopen it, but do you think that will hurt me? Was it really anything?
I mean, like what? At least let you see the questions.
No, it won't even. It just says the quiz period is over.
Oh.
Yeah, it's kind of annoying.
What if you click on quizzes and then go to submissions? Maybe it'll let you see. Like it won't let you submit it, but at least let you see the questions.
Yeah. Okay, I'll look and see. I wonder where the other girls in our group
Yeah,
are.
I haven't seen them in ages.
Yeah, like Nia was there last week, right?
Yeah, I think she was there last Tuesday or whatever that was, Wednesday.
Yeah, but Emily hasn't been there for a long time.
Yeah, it's been a while.
I wonder if she dropped the class or something.
I don't, yeah, it goes past the like if she dropped it, she would have like failed it. So hopefully she didn't.
Yeah. Yeah, hopefully not. I
But
don't know.
whatever.
Maybe they got another group, or they're just not. They just
Yeah, maybe
don't
they're.
want the points.
Yeah, that's true.
It doesn't really. I guess it's not really that much points, but still.
Yeah, that's true. I have the yeah, I can open up 9. I
Did
think
you
this
go?
one.
Did you go to user progress under grades? Or
So I clicked on, if you click on quizzes,
oh, okay.
so you click on quizzes and then go down to lesson 9 group meeting quiz. I don't know if it'll let you do it because you never submitted it, but I just clicked on submissions on the, there's like a down arrow on the right. But like I attempted it, so I don't know if it would work if you never attempted it.
Yeah, it just says you have not attempted this quiz.
Yeah, I guess you probably can't look at it then.
Yeah. It's okay. I guess when he does the review for the test, I'll be okay. Hopefully.
Yeah, that's what I'm banking on too.
Yeah, 'cause he's really good at. I mean, that made it to where that test was doable because
Yeah,
he told you all the formulas and pretty much
was,
every type of question.
yeah, it was really nice. I liked it.
Yeah, that was really nice.
Well, do you want to did you do the lesson 10 group quiz in 11?
Yeah, I did all of them.
Yeah, I did them too. I guess we can do you want to just go over it and see if we had any questions?
Yeah.
Just so we can do something.
Which one do you want to start with, 10 or 11?
Let's do 10 because we're supposed to cover both if we want to get both like week points or whatever, both group points. So I'm just
Okay.
gonna, if you just click on the submissions, you don't have to like reopen it.
Oh, yeah, okay.
So that way you don't have to answer in all the questions again.
Okay. So, okay, lesson 10. I wrote notes on lesson 10, but my kids took that notebook. So I have lesson 11 notes here.
Okay.
But I wrote what he used. I can't remember what he used for the first part.
So, yeah, I remember how to do number 3. Do you have the Excel that he gave us the link to?
I need to open that back up, but I had it open.
Yeah, so use that for I think most of these actually.
Yeah. Well, that's so nice that he does that. And he wrote a summary, like a note page. That's true. I could just open that. Did you see his summary document?
Yeah, I got that too. I didn't really look at it, but I downloaded it.
Yeah, it's nice because it kind of reminds you of certain things.
Oh, that is nice. Yeah.
Okay, I have it open.
All right. So do you remember how to do number 3? If not, I think I could figure it out.
You could explain it while I have this open, just so I can remember how to do it, because right now I can't remember.
So I think this one you just do, so you have the Excel open.
Yeah.
When it says margin of error and it gives a percentage, that's the CL on the very top left. So you just switch that to 0.9%.
Oh, wait, just a second. I think. Oh, never mind. Okay, let me go back. Okay, so it's the grouped. I had the homework one open, but now I have the quiz.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Okay, yeah, I see what you're saying. Okay, 90% confidence. Okay, so what were you saying?
So so the 90%, you put that in the CL. So if you have the
Oh, yeah.
very have to just switch that to point, and then it gives you the so you just put that in as sigma.
So 0.9, and then sigma. Wait, sigma's 50.
Yeah, so sigma is just standard deviation. So you just put the standard deviation, which is 50, in sigma, and then you just put the n, which is 25.
Oh,
So,
okay.
so just let me know when you're there.
So how do you? Okay, so we're calculating because there's like the top and then the bottom.
Okay, yeah. So this one, what does it say? Margin of error. I think if it only gives you those 3, you just, I mean, what I do is I just look at what it gives me. So like this one, it gives us the percentage and the standard. And the top one is the only one that really has us input those. So I just put it in there.
Okay.
Well, to really define it.
Okay, so I have it. Yeah, 16. The ME, the 16.449.
Yep.
Yep. So it's easy, like, once you understand how to do that.
If you figure out how to do the Excel, like I think probably 3/4 of these questions you just plug into the Excel. You just have to figure out where to put them.
Yeah, and then the SPSS, I was actually surprised how easy it is to use once you write down what he does, like where he goes, you know?
Yeah.
The thing is,
Yeah. It's actually, yeah, it's pretty easy if you figure it out.
yeah. Okay, so that was in the notes, I think.
Yeah, okay.
I'm pretty sure.
Do you want to skip down to 5?
Yeah.
So the point estimate is, I think it's just this, it just means the same thing as X bar. And that's why it's 526. I don't know if that was in the notes.
Yeah, let me see. Let me open. Yeah, it is. Oh, wait.
Okay.
X bar, or the sample mean, is the point estimator for like that U.
Yeah, it's the second thing on there.
Yeah.
So that's why that one's 526.
Okay, we need to remember that. Well, good thing we have that note.
Yeah. Yeah.
But it's still kind of confusing. Well,
So I think, yeah, you just,
I
sorry,
mean,
what was that?
you just put the X bar, but I'm like, hopefully on the test I'll remember that.
Yeah, yeah, same. So I think for 6, you just plug in again.
Okay.
Let's see. Yeah, so you just plug in again, except this time it gives you X bar, so you throw an X bar.
Wait, do you change the CL to 95? No.
And yeah, you change it to 95.
And what did it say for X bar? Oh, wait, it doesn't.
526.
Oh, okay. And then the answer is the ME, right? Or no? No. Sorry.
Let me get to it.
27. Yeah, I did something wrong. Oh, wait. Are we supposed to do that one below?
So what is the margin of error? Yeah, I got like 28.4.
Oh. So yeah,
Let
how did you do it? You did it on the Excel?
I did it on Excel. I think I probably did it wrong. Yeah, I just plugged them in on the topics at the last one.
Okay.
Let's see, 95, 113. Plug it in on the applet.
Oh. Oh wait, the margin of error. I think. Isn't it something? Okay, was there a note somewhere where the margin of error is? I can't find that note, but the upper subtract the lower. I don't
Maybe. I don't remember this one, I guess, because I'm getting. Let me see if I got anything in the notes.
Maybe we'll make a note and I could go back to that number on the video.
Yeah. Because even my like lower and upper things are wrong.
Yeah, I don't mind too. It's like there must have been something else that we were supposed to do.
Do you remember did we use the applet for anything? Because I feel like we didn't, but there's a link for it.
Yeah, I think he did. He did on this one.
Okay.
Because I remember
I
him
don't know.
typing. I did this one yesterday, so the other one's more fresh in my mind. But
Yeah.
I remember him opening the applet, like the Z table, his
Hmm.
David Lang. But I'm not sure, if it's that one. But it might have been.
Cannot figure these ones out.
Do you want me to open that? I could watch it really fast, try to get to that question.
Okay. I'll see if I can figure out the bottom ones at least.
Okay. Was it question 7?
It was 6. It was like 6 to 8.
Okay. Okay, this is it. He's doing it in Excel, so I'm gonna go back because oops. I'm trying to find where he starts talking about it. Could you hear this?
Um, kind of, not really.
Okay. Okay. Okay, just a second. He's doing the 526, or number 5, and now number 6. Yeah, you use Excel. He's entering 95 in the CO on the top one.
Okay.
Sigma is 113. Oh, I didn't do that. Sample size is 64.
That's what I
And
have, yeah.
and then he said, so when he did that, the ME turned to 27.684.
Yeah, that's what mine's at.
Okay.
Is that the answer?
Yeah. Is that the answer on the test?
Oh, I guess that is. Well,
Yeah. I think you were getting 28 before. I don't know why.
yeah,
I,
like mine says it now. I don't know why it switched.
I didn't change my Sigma. That's um yeah, that was my problem.
Yeah, mine randomly switched and now they're the right answers. I don't know why.
Weird.
But
Wait, what was the Sigma again?
113.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, mine is here would N is 64. Oh, okay. I had the wrong N too for some reason.
Huh.
I don't know what. Okay, yeah, I have the right number now.
Yeah, mine was like I didn't switch anything and it was off by like 1, and then I just reopened it and now it's all the right answers. I don't know what's going on.
Yeah, sometimes Excel is weird like that.
That's weird.
Yeah, okay.
Well,
So,
we got
next
those.
question. Oh yeah, so that gave all the,
Yeah,
just a second.
so that has the lower and the upper just on the right.
Yeah, okay. That's so awesome that it does that.
Yeah.
Just a minute. Where did I? Oh, here's the quiz. Okay. So, now we're at question 9, right?
Yeah.
Or did,
So this one you just like you yourself. So if you increase the sample size, just look at the width and see what it changes to. So like right now it's 64 and the width is 55. If you put it up to 100, it goes down to 44. So it would
so
decrease.
which one did you put up to 100?
So if it's asking for sample size, that means n.
Oh, it's N. Okay.
So you just, if you move that, just look at the width and see what happens to it.
Okay.
And
Okay,
then
yeah.
you just do the same thing, except you switch the percentage to 99 instead of 95 and see what changes in the width.
And the width is, oh yeah, so it went to 58. Oh great, I didn't know what it was before.
Uh,
A second. Okay. So before it was 44. So yeah, it increases.
yes.
Okay.
Um,
Okay. Do you remember this one?
I think you just plug in, let's see. So I think you use the second one because this gives you the margin of error, which is 50. So you just plug in on the sample size calculation, which is in the middle.
Oh, okay. Sample size. And you know that because, oh, because they gave you that.
I'm doing it on the video, but I got the same answer. So you just plug in these numbers on the second one,
Mm-hmm.
because if it gives you the margin of error, you just know that that's the one you're going to plug it into, because that's the only graph that asks for the margin of error.
Mm-hmm.
And then it's just n is your answer, which is 246.
Okay. All right. That's good. So, so do you know which one we use for this one?
I'm trying the top one. I think it would be the top one.
X
Just
bar
because,
is,
yeah, because that's X bar and N.
yeah. Oops. What does that A mean?
Um,
The,
I think it means alpha, but I don't really know what it does.
okay. And
Yeah.
then where do you enter the 36,730?
So that's the standard deviation. So you just put that in sigma.
Oh, I always forget that.
Yeah.
Let me remember. What is the lower limit? Okay. Did you get the right one?
Yeah, I did. Did you get the right ones?
Yeah, I did. Thankfully. Okay, so
So
that gives you lower and upper. Yep.
I think that's good because the last question just asked about the requirements, which I think are on the note thing.
Yeah, it's all of the above.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Sweet.
we're good there.
Let's go over the lesson 11 now.
Okay. And this one, I'm not in SPSS because, are you able to get in when we're meeting or
Um,
not?
I don't think I can.
I know, it's so weird how like your whole entire computer switches over.
Yeah, it is
Like
pretty weird.
it freaked me out. I thought I was doing it wrong for the longest time.
Oh, yeah, it's kind of weird.
Yeah, so
I think
it's a, wait, what?
were most of these in SPSF, do you remember?
Yeah, there were some that weren't, but yeah, the majority of them were.
Okay.
But I wrote notes to kind of explain
Yeah.
how to do it. It's quiz
So,
11, right?
yeah, quiz 11.
Okay. Okay, so we assume that, wait, what is that the symbol for again?
Um,
The
that's
sigma?
I think that's the sigma. I'm pretty sure
Yeah, that's where
that's
you put
standard
sigma.
deviation.
Okay, so we assume standard deviation is known is the answer for the first one. Let me write a note of that. Okay. So these ones he did in Excel, right?
I think so. So 3 and 4 are kind of just like you answer the question. I think 3 just because the other two don't really make sense is the easier answer.
Mm-hmm.
And then 4, it says in the question, it says assume this popular standard deviation is not known, and then it asks if it's known.
Oh yeah, it says it's not known.
So you just say
So,
no. Um,
yeah.
Number 5, you can do in Excel, I'm pretty sure. So that one is the bottom one. That's the T-stat.
Yeah.
You just plug them in there.
Okay.
Yeah, so you just plug in the X bar and the S and the N and the mean. You should get 1.5.
Oh, wait a second. So we're not putting the X bar.
You should. So you should put in all of the numbers it gives you on the bottom.
And not the sample size one, or?
No, so underneath that there should be a T-stat
Oh,
one.
oops. Okay, I didn't see that one. I had to scroll down. I see it
Yeah,
now.
I know.
So yeah, that was why I was like, I can't do it in this one. Okay. So 11. Okay, the MU. Which one's the MU?
That's the mean. So that should just be the U. U equals 8.
Oh, okay. I think he already has it plugged into this Excel form.
We like it.
So S is 6 and N is 9?
Yeah.
Or 9. Okay, so 1.5. Yeah, it was already in there. He must have
Okay.
saved it when he did
I,
the question.
yeah, probably. Um,
So this was
I think,
SPSS.
yeah, I think the rest were SPSF, which we can't really do.
Yeah, and for this one, I guess we could just talk about how to do it.
Okay.
He had to manually enter these ones in, but he said on the test we won't have to do that. Um, so then you go to like click variable view, then put the body temperature data, whatever. Sorry, this is kind of confusing without doing it.
Yeah.
Anyways, yeah, just go through all the steps he said, and then go back to data view. So then, oh, I had T-score, analyze. Yeah, the mean equals the X bar. For some reason, I have that. Did you know? Or it
Say that again.
says mean equals X bar.
For just
I just
these
have.
or what?
I don't know. I just like wrote it down.
Oh,
I don't know.
I don't know. Yeah.
Okay.
I guess we'll
No.
figure that out.
I guess like it made sense when I was writing it, but now doing it without actually being in the
Yeah.
SPSS, I don't know. I can't
Yeah.
like make sense of everything.
It's kind of hard to understand when you can't really see it.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
oh, maybe I put mean equals X bar because that's, oh, okay, I know why I put it. I put it because that's the question, what is X bar? And then that answer was underneath like mean. You know what I'm
Okay.
saying?
Yeah, I think I do.
Okay. Cause yeah, that always confuses me where the mean is or where the X bar.
Yeah. Okay. That makes sense.
Okay.
Um, we can really answer these other ones without going in SPSS.
Yeah, we can't. So did you know? Okay. So the p-value is sigma, right? Or sig two-tailed? No, I don't know.
Um, I don't really remember. I think it doesn't it just tell you on the graph? That you compute?
I think so. Let's see. There was like that two-tailed stuff.
Yeah, I'd have to relook at it. I think he divided it by 2.
Yeah.
I remember him doing something about that for p-value. But I have to rewatch and see what he actually did.
Yeah. That's what it was, because it was like 0.081, and then
Okay.
the real answer was he divided it, and then he got 0.041.
Is that because it was a two-tailed or?
Yeah, it says two-tailed right here.
Okay.
I don't know why it was two-tailed.
Okay. All right. Well, do you have any other questions on these?
Um, I mean, not without having it open.
Yeah, same.
Yeah, so, oh, when, like, when he said, what decision do you make, failed to reject the null hypothesis or whatever,
For number
those
12?
number 14 and, yeah, 12,
Okay.
yeah, 12 too. Like, I didn't really know what he was doing, so I didn't know what that was.
Yeah, I think I have so you can, if you want to write this down, it'll probably, maybe it's on the notes, but so all right. So if you do you have the notes, the note word open, the word
Yeah,
page? So on the
let
very
me go.
bottom,
Oh, okay.
on the very bottom it says if the p-value is less than a, which is alpha, then you reject it. And if the p-value is greater than alpha, then you fail to reject it.
Oh, okay.
So you basically just, so let me see. The p-value for this was 0.995 and alpha was 0.01, 0.001. So p-value was greater than, if I remember, so therefore you fail to reject it.
Okay, well, that helps having those notes.
Yeah, and so I don't know what the p-value was when you switched it, but yeah, you just look at that. So whatever the
Okay.
p-value switched to ended up being less than 0.01, which is when I guess it was still greater because it failed to reject. But that's all you have to really look at.
Okay. Yeah, that helps knowing that that's on that note.
Yeah.
Okay, well, I guess we could be.
Do you want to just do once a week? Meet next Friday?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, that's better for me because this worked out good, and we'll have extra help being able to watch his explanations
Yeah,
first. So,
I
and
agree.
then talk about it because I think it's good reviewing it twice, even after I do it. So,
Yeah. Yeah. So I'm just gonna post this on both of the discussions for 10 and 11. So you probably still want to
okay,
comment on both to make sure you get point for both.
okay, I will.
All right.
Do you want? Should we make a note on the Google Hangout that we're changing it to once a week,
Yeah, I can write something after this if you want.
and hopefully, I don't know, like if they'll end up coming, but
Yeah, we'll
okay.
see. We'll see.
All right.
All right. See ya.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye.